In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect your Epson L15180 printer to a mobile phone using Wi-Fi Direct quickly and easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Wi-Fi Direct allows your mobile phone to connect directly to the Epson L15180 printer without a router or internet connection. This makes printing photos and documents faster, easier, and more convenient. To enable Wi-Fi Direct, first go to the Printer Settings menu. Now open the Network Settings menu. Now open the Wi-Fi Setup option. Here you can see two connection options: Router and Wi-Fi Direct. The router option is used when you want to connect the printer through a Wi-Fi network, while Wi-Fi Direct allows you to connect your phone or computer directly to the printer without using a router. Wi-Fi Direct is now enabled. To view its network name and password, simply click on the Change option. From here, you can easily view the Wi-Fi Direct network name and password. You can also change them to your preferred settings, restore the default settings, or turn Wi-Fi Direct off whenever needed. Here you can see the password, and we will change it to a simpler one for easier connection. However, if security is important for you, it is better to choose a stronger and more secure password. Now take your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings, and you will see the printer's Wi-Fi name. Simply select it and enter the password to connect to the printer easily. Now you can print directly from your gallery, but it is better to use the Epson iPrint app. This app gives you more advanced settings and also provides a smoother and more stable printing experience similar to a computer. Make sure to follow the initial setup steps correctly as shown in this video, so that Epson iPrint connects properly to the printer. Epson iPrint has been successfully connected to your printer. As you can see, it also shows ink levels. From here you can run nozzle checks, head cleaning, and other printer settings directly from your phone. You can find the download link for this app in the description and install it on your mobile device. Now you can print photos and documents and even scan directly using this app, which is very useful for users who are not comfortable using a computer. After selecting a photo, I open the print settings, and as you can see, the settings are very advanced and professional. You can easily adjust print quality, paper size, color options, and other settings directly from your phone, making the printing process simple and flexible without using a computer. That is it for this video. As you saw, Epson iPrint makes it very easy to connect and control the Epson L15180 directly from your mobile phone. You can print photos and documents, check ink levels, run maintenance tools, and adjust advanced print settings without needing a computer. This app gives you a very smooth and professional printing experience, making it simple for anyone to manage the printer directly from a phone. If this video helped you, please support Device Doctor by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell for more printer repair and tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.